Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, but any internet connection will be okay. After that, let's enter the Play Store, and if you've got your Google account added to the device, then you can follow my steps. If not, you will have to either log in or sign up if you do not have the Google account yet, because without it you will not be able to use anything from the Google Play Store. So after that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. So let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got the list of installed apps, and simply tap on Updates Available to check which one can be updated. If you want to, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just search for those which you'd like to update. So let me choose maybe Samsung Internet Browser, maybe Private Compute Services, whatever. Just mark the apps, and then tap on this Update icon. And as you can see, right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn the Google Play Store off and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.